I'm Brian Sump. I'm the owner and president at Avalon Motorsports. And I'm proud to be a Colorado native, and I'm proud to share that Avalon Motorsports is locally owned in a time when larger corporations and big box brands are becoming the norm. We found that clients are really fed up with cold, impersonal service from dealerships and other shops. And at Avalon Motorsports, we guarantee that no unnecessary repairs will be performed on your vehicle. So how do we do that? Well, first, we give you visual proof. You see what we see. We provide photos and videos of the parts needing repair, giving you clear visual evidence of the issues we identify. Second, we provide prioritized estimates. Our factory-trained technicians and friendly advisors prioritize repair estimates from the most important down to the least. This empowers you to spend your money where it matters most. And third, we keep you in the driver's seat. A digital estimate will show needed repairs in clear and understandable terms. You can review and approve the necessary work from wherever you are with the click of a button and make informed decisions with confidence. When you book service with Avalon Motorsports, you'll have added confidence in knowing that our factory-trained technicians use the same diagnostic tooling and equipment that they do in the dealerships. And we back up all of our work with an industry-leading 4-year, 40,000-mile parts and labor warranty.
When I was looking for an alternative for service from the dealership, I went online and I found Avalon Motorsports website. I was taken through step by step, everything on the estimate. You guys looked at it and said, yes, you should do this, and this is why. No, you shouldn't do this because you don't need to, and this is entirely optional. So I really felt like I was empowered as a client to make my own choices with, a lot of education from someone who was explaining to me very frankly what was important and what wasn't.
I've been a client with Avalon for 5-6 years now. I would say there's an awful lot of integrity, and that's really hard to find nowadays, especially in mechanics. I had a coolant issue. I know I spent a lot of money getting it repaired. A month later, I'm filling up with coolant again, and I'm not sure what's going on. So I figured, it's another part to it. I bring it back to y'all. You do the diagnosis and you come to me and say, you know what, Trevor? That's a part that we addressed last time you were here. We'll take care of it. And it was done. I just don't look back. If I have an issue, I know where I'm going back to Avalon.
We can't wait to work with you and give you that uplifting service experience you deserve.